Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW logo. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool, a heat gun, and some adhesive remover. Next, thoroughly clean the area around the existing logo. This ensures optimal adhesion for your new emblem. Finally, protect the surrounding paintwork with painter's tape. This simple step prevents any accidental scratches or damage during the removal process, keeping your vehicle looking pristine. Now, let's remove the old logo. Begin by applying gentle, even heat to the emblem with your heat gun for about 30 seconds. This softens the adhesive, making removal much easier. Then, carefully insert your plastic pry tool under the edge of the logo and gently lift it away. Once the old emblem is off, use an adhesive remover to clean any sticky residue. Ensure the surface is completely smooth and free of debris. With the old logo gone, it's time for the new one. First, make sure your new emblem is perfectly clean and free of any dust or fingerprints. Next, carefully align the new logo with the existing mounting points or indentations on your vehicle. This ensures a straight and professional appearance. Finally, peel off the protective backing from the new logo's adhesive. Be ready to apply it smoothly once the backing is removed. To complete the installation, press the new logo firmly onto the prepared surface. Hold it in place for at least 30 seconds, applying even pressure across the entire emblem. This ensures the adhesive bonds securely. Once it's firmly attached, carefully remove the painter's tape you applied earlier. Take a moment to inspect your work, ensuring the new logo is perfectly aligned and securely in place. Your vehicle now has a fresh, new look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.